Kits Crows.
Okay, I'm going on a little walk, but I realize I'm out of apples. I like having apples and bagels for breakfast on work days, so I gotta go to the store and get some apples. Otherwise, it's gonna be a pretty short walk. It's chilly. But, I don't know, it's not as cold as it has been. I don't know if we'll see many critters. I'm trying to see the magpies. Cute. I love those guys. Bark, bark. That's why they have that privacy tarp, because the dogs bark. I don't know why they took it down on this side. Yeah, even though it's a little chilly, not too cold for the chickens. Oh, come on. There we are. Ah! Stop! Ah! Unblur! Oh, there we go. There's the girls. Well, on my way to Fred Meyer now. Yeah, with a good jacket, it's not bad. And things are still melting, so I'm not going to slip. It's not likely. Okay, I'm leaving Fred Meyer now. I got some apples. I also got a few extra things just because I didn't really have much else. I don't know, I wanted to fill my bag. I got a couple of pizzas just to have on hand because they were on sale. A couple sodas and some chips for movie night whenever my friend Snow comes over next. That's it. Simple little trip. And I'm heading home. There's some clouds coming. It might be rain later. But I'll be long home before that hits. Right now, it's quite nice. It's warmed up since I left. It's great out now. No telling what it's going to be like later. Just looking at the birdhouse because it's cool. I hear little squeaky sparrows, but no, starlings, that's it. Squeak, squeak. Oh, there's a doggy. Hello, doggy. You're not looking at me. Hey, doggy. You sure are cute.
Bye-bye!
Bye!